So this is the secret ingredient of today's show. Some of these traditional Chinese herbs that could actually help you with GERD. In fact, some studies have shown that it's more effective than some of the regular over-the-counter drugs. So G.E.R.D or GERD is gastroesophageal reflux disease, or we call it acid reflux. Some people call it heartburn, especially if you overeat like a supper and then immediately go and sleep, you lie down. So the acid actually flows backwards, upwards. And so that makes GERD worse. So if it's not resolved, your doctors would usually recommend an upper GI scope. This is called licorice root, or in Chinese, it's called gan cao min. Put this inside a thermos, just add some hot water, which later on we're going to do, slice some ginger and a small drizzle of honey, and you drink that as a warm beverage, and that should calm the stomach down. You steep it like tea, maybe 15 minutes for the flavors to infuse, and try to drink it within the next couple of hours.